Here we have a problem on proportion. Let's read the question. If 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 5 and 1 by x are proportional, find the value of x. So the question clearly says these four terms are in proportion. So we can use cross product rule to find the value of x. So cross product rule is nothing but the product of extremes is equal to the product of means. So the product of 1 divided by 2 times 1 divided by x is equal to 1 divided by 3 times 1 by 15. Okay, let's simplify this one and solve for x. So 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times x is 2x. So we get 1 divided by 2x on the left side. On the right side we get 1 divided by 15. So we are trying to solve for the variable x, it's in denominator. But we need the variable x in numerator, so we can get reciprocal on both sides of this equation. So the reciprocal of 1 by 2x is 2x by 1, and the reciprocal of 1 by 15 is 15 by 1. So 2x by 1 can be taken as 2x and 15 by 1 can be taken as 15. So 2 and x are multiplied here. If 2 comes to the right side of the equation, it will divide 15, so x is equal to 15 by 2. So if 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by y, 1 by 5 and 1 by x are proportional, then the value of x will be 15 divided by 2.